Now today I'm going to tell you how to 10x your life from the 10x rule by Cardone. So basically the author talks about 4 degrees of action. First, doing nothing, second, retreating, third, average action, and fourth is massive action. Massive action is the point where the game changes and you will be above average. Now let's talk about goals. Write down your goals on daily basis and push yourself. Ask yourself, are your goals equal to your potential? These goals excite you or not? Make a list of your goals and take massive action. Third, obsession. Being super focused on something. Do you see obsession as a disease or a gift? Get obsessed with everything in life. It requires focus and passionate to be obsessed with something. Now this is the favorite point of the book. Starve fear. Fear's favorite food is time. Don't give time to your fears and don't feed them. Take action instantly. Condition yourself to go at it. Remove time from the equation. Fifth, smoky creature. You all must have read that story of rabbit and the tortoise. What if you can create a creature which is super speedy like the rabbit and persistent like the tortoise? Speed and intensity is what all you need. These were some important things in the book the author talks about.